Can I really turn my $200 into $10,000? This is day 3 of the challenge and I've already grown my account to $946. This isn't a compounding challenge. Every trade is based on proper market analysis, logic, and disciplined risk management, not blind luck or reckless betting. Now it's time to see what day 3 brings. Let's find out how much I can make today. I am going to take a downward put trade on this chart. This is a very clean setup, so I don't have to overthink the entry because the market is clearly in a downtrend. The biggest confirmation is that the price has rejected our moving average multiple times, showing that it is acting as a strong dynamic resistance. The most recent candle is a very strong bearish candle, which adds even more confidence that momentum is still on the seller side. I've already marked my target level with the green line. The only concern here is the large bullish candle. However, that move has already been tested several candles and the market has reversed, respecting the fair value gap, which I'm going to mark it as well. This is a clearly winning trade. I can still take one more put entry after closing this candle as a winning trade, but I don't want to take unnecessary risks and I'll wait for another high probability trade setup. So what I mentioned about the reversal point is that the last green candle was a very healthy green candle and there had been a fair value gap which the market already tested and reversed multiple times, but because of the next candle was rejected from our EMA and that was a very strong confirmation, I immediately took a put entry. As you can see, the market is moving towards the target level I marked with the green line. I didn't catch this move and that's completely fine. There will always be another high probability setup. All right guys, so let's look another currency pair, which is this one. The candles are trading above the EMA 22, which is a strong indication that the market is bullish. Although the most recent candle closed as a bearish red candle, we shouldn't make decision based on single candle alone. We always need to look what the overall market structure is doing, and if you zoom out, it is clearly that the buyers are in control. We have got more bullish candle than the bearish one, and the second to last green candle was a strong, healthy green candle. That tells me that the recent bearish candle is just a pullback rather than a reversal. Based on that analysis, I took a call entry trade and this should be a winning trade. As you can see, market is clearly in a bullish trend. All the candles are forming above our moving average EMA 22. The second to last green candle was a very healthy bullish candle, and also there is a trend line support going on. Because of these confirmation, I've taken a call entry and this trade is exactly going in my favor. If you have noticed this, with every successful trade, I'm gradually increasing my trade amount while still managing risks carefully. After winning this trade, my account balance has now grown to $1,700, which is an incredible milestone in this challenge. Alright guys, now I'm looking for just one more high probability setup. After this trade, I will stop trading for the day. Since I'm risking $600 in a single trade, which is the next one, I don't want to rush. I'm scanning through multiple currency pair, waiting for a setup that meets all my trading rules. There should be at least 80 to 90% of accuracy rate. All the currency pair right now is either moving away from my EMA or very nearby. I just need a breakout and a retracement. That would be the ideal setup for my next trade, since I'm risking $600, which is a huge amount and I don't want any mistake in my next trade. So all right guys, here in this currency pair AUD CHF, I can see a break down from my EMA and a retracement, and the last red candle has given me a confirmation that the market is going to continue down. Yes, because of that, I have placed a put entry. My entry could have been a little bit better if I have placed my marginal safety entry, but I was so excited that I placed immediately at the very opening of the candle. But let's see how this trade goes on. If I win this trade, I will stop trading, and if I don't win this trade, I will not do any revenge trading. I will change my strategy. Let's see how this trade will go. According to my analysis, this candle should close as a red one, and just like as I anticipated, this trade is going exactly in my favor, making it a winning trade, which is great. I'm a little bit dissatisfied about my entry, but because of the confirmation. This is a solid win. As you can see, the market, the candles are moving below our EMA 22, and whenever candle does that, we are only biased towards sellers. So the last red candle has given me confirmation that the market is going to go down. The ultimate target is the horizontal line, which I have marked just now, and because of that I have placed my entry, and all three of my trades are win. So my account balance now is from $200 to $2,300, which is great. Alright traders, if you want to copy my trades, all you have to do is join my Telegram channel. I'll come back with day 4 of this challenge. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading.